Good morning to all of you. Toastmasters, guests, and everybody present here. Today, I would like to speak on children. Children are my weakness rather. I love children very much. They really give me a very good company. I enjoy their company the most. I think everybody likes children. They are so sweet, smart and intelligent that we are generally convinced with their innocence also. Today I would like to relate some of the funny incidents that I enjoyed in my life as a grandmother. I have a daughter and she has two sons. At this time, one is in 4th class and other is in 8th class. I am telling about the incidents when the younger one was about 4 years old and the elder one was about 8 years old. Once I along with my husband were going in a car along with the two grandsons. I am talking about. My husband asked both of the children, whom do you like more, me or your granny? They said both. Then he asked again, whom do you like more, me or your granny? They again said both. Then he said, whom do you like more or little less? They said both equally. But my husband didn't. But my husband repeated the question again and again. They replied in the same tone. Then my elder grandson, he asked a question from my husband. He asked him, whom do you like more, me or my brother? Now my husband was wonderstruck. He never expected this answer and he was left rather with no answer. So first he was confusing them. Now it was his turn to confuse us. So we shouldn't underestimate the children. They know how to get out of the confusion. Now I would like to tell you about another incident also, which I can't forget. Once my daughter had come to stay with us for some days along with the children, and I had prepared the meals. By chance, the meals was a bit salty, according to the children. When she was feeding them, one of them said, it's salty. She said, who says? And she kept on feeding them. Somehow they finished the food. When the food was over, the younger one came to me. At that time also, I am talking about when he was only 3 or 4 years old. He came to me in the kitchen and told me, Granny, you had put so much salt. It was so salty that I was feeling like vomiting. I really laughed heartily because he had to surrender before his mother, but he was bold enough to tell me that I was really in the mistake and I had done something wrong. I was convinced with his wit. So this way they really impress us with their intelligence also. Now I would like to relate one of the incidents from my granddaughter also. When she was born, I was very happy. I was so happy that I told almost everyone whomsoever I met that I have got a sweet granddaughter. Now she is around 2 years old and she is very sweet and friendly. Whenever I take her out, she always has a smile. She welcomes everyone with a smile and expects the same in return also. Once a lady was passing by, but she didn't give any smile. The lady didn't give any smile. She was a bit reserved lady, maybe like me, and she was really surprised. My daughter was really surprised. When I saw her face, I said, she is unknown auntie. She said, okay, she is unknown auntie, and she was satisfied. Then she didn't smile because she was unknown to her. There is another incident also, which I would like to tell you and enjoy. But she is very choosy in terms of taking food. She doesn't like everything. I asked her for one thing, then for the other, then for the other, but she didn't agree to take anything. Then last of all I said, will you take grass? She said, no, Shania doesn't eat grass. A cow eats grass. I felt like laughing and I gave a hearty laugh. So this way, the children entertain us a lot. it's up to us how to enjoy their company. At least I like their company very much, and I whenever even in their absence, I learn I remember them, and a smile comes on my face whenever I remember their funny students, funny incidents. Thank you.